गणपति बप्पा मंगलमूर्ति, गणपति बप्पा मंगलमूर्ति।
Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mumbai's richest Ganpati is back. I am talking about GSB Seva Mandal's Mahaganpati, famous for its grandeur and worshipped by lakhs of devotees. Every year Bappa stuns the city with beauty, with ornaments, with devotion. So last year Bappa shined bright, and this year he'll be shining brighter, more divine, more grand and more brighter.
This Ganeshotsav is the 71st Ganeshotsav celebration of GSB Seva Mandal. It started with 12 inches idol in the year 1955, and then till today it has grown to 14 feet. Every year we go on heading, but before the Ganpati begins, what is last year we have to tell. 68 kilos gold, 400 kilos roughly silver. All you see white metal is silver. All which is seen in golden is gold.
But grandeur needs protection, and that is why the Mandal this time has taken a record insurance.
We have insured 474 crores. It not only includes gold and silver. We have covered each and every individual at the rate of 10 lakhs for third-party insurance.
So the insurance covers everything: the idols, the pandals, the ornaments, the organizers as well as the devotees. The festival begins August 27, 5 days of faith and celebration.
Queue system has been handed over to professional people, where QR code will be taken before you enter. You can have Bhojan Prasad in next 25 minutes. So those who come here within 1 hour leave the pandal satisfied and being blessed by Lord Ganesha.
Lakhs will gather for darshan day and night without a break.
We have a strength of 3,500 volunteers. 10%, which is more than 350, come from abroad. They come here, do their seva and go back. None of them are paid. We strongly believe everybody is paid by invisible hands.
So this year Mumbai's richest Ganpati returns grander, brighter and safer than ever before.
Your window to India and the world. Midday. Local Pulse, Global Perspective.